African Apostolic Church of Apostle of Africa, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Hatfield, Harare. Therefore, invite you to the African Apostolic Church for our district Sowe session to be held on Saturday, 9 October 2021 at Seiso Primary School, Vao, from 2000 hours till Sunday morning. We are happy to announce that this gathering will be graced by Bishop Eidera. Evil spirits are destroyed and the sick are healed. Mark 16 verse 15. For more information, please feel free to contact the following. Be blessed with the African Apostolic Church signature song sounding in the background. Tende Akinaton.